Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to remove the Powered by Shopify from your store. I will share two methods of how to remove it. So you're gonna be able to remove exactly this link. Before we start, if you are selling clothes from AliExpress, with this size you can easily import any size chart with just one click. Okay, so the first and the mostly simple method of remove the Powered by Shopify link is you're going to click on Online Store. Now click on the three dots over here and then click on Edit Default Theme Content. And on the search box over here, you will search for Powered by Shopify. Powered by Shopify. And here you will hit the space button. Okay, you will not delete or anything, you just hit the space button and click on Save. And now I will show you the second method. This method is a little bit more complicated because you're going to need to get your hands on the code. I will click on Themes and now I will click on the three dots and then click on Edit Code. And now on the search box over here, you will search for footer.liquid. And we are going to click on footer.liquid. And now you can click on the code over here. And you hit the Ctrl+F on your computer. So if you are on Mac, I think it's Command+F, okay? And here we are going to search for powered underscore by link. You can click on next. And now we can just remove these brackets with the powered by link. I will just remove this and I will click on save. Now I will preview my store and it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching and hit the like button if you like it and subscribe to our channel.